Namaskar friends, welcome to Easy Peasy Hindi. Today we will learn how to introduce ourselves in Hindi. Today we will learn just one thing, how to say our name properly in Hindi. And then progressively over the next 3-4 days, we will learn more sentences so that we can describe ourselves in sufficient detail and have, by the end of the week, a nice kitty of 3 to 4 sentences to describe ourselves and introduce ourselves properly in front of anyone. So, friends, introduction always has 3 parts to it: the salutation or the beginning or the greetings. The second part is a little bit about yourself, and the third part is always the closing statement. First, let's get to salutations or greetings. Whenever people meet all over the world, whenever they meet, they always greet one another. If you happen to be in Switzerland, you'll see that people will say to each other, Grüezi. In German, they would be saying Hallo. In French, they would be saying Bonjour. And in English-speaking countries like England, US, or Australia, they would be either saying hello, or just to sound a bit more warm, they might say hello, how are you? Similarly, in India, we say Namaste. Now, we can also say Namaskar. Both are equally correct. Now, there is a proper way of saying it. When we say Namaste or Namaskar, we first join our hands together and then we say Namaste or Namaskar. You can choose whichever you are more comfortable with. If you find Namaste more comfortable to use, please go ahead with it. If you think Namaskar is easier for you to remember or speak, go ahead with Namaskar. Both are equally correct and both mean exactly the same thing. Now friends, let's get on to introduction. Now, what is the first thing that you say when you introduce yourself? That is your name. Yes, that's your name. Let's understand it with the help of an example. Now, this is a beautiful little girl whose name is Rani. How will Rani introduce herself? Let's see how she would do it in English. She would say, Hello, my name is Rani. Thank you. Or she can also say, Hello, I am Rani. Thank you. Now let's see how she would say the same thing in Hindi. She would say, Namaste, Mera naam Rani hai. My name is Rani. Mera naam Rani hai. And if she has to say, Hello, I am Rani, how will she say? She will say, Namaskar, मैं Rani हूँ. Namaskar, मैं Rani हूँ. I am Rani. And in the first case, we were saying, My name is Rani. Mera naam Rani hai. Similarly, let's take the case of this boy whose name is Shyam. Now, to introduce himself in English, Shyam will say, Hello, my name is Shyam. Or, Hello, I am Shyam. In Hindi, he would say, Namaste, मेरा नाम श्याम है. और नमस्ते, मैं श्याम हूँ. So this is a little bit about yourself. This is the body of the introduction. And then comes the closing statement. Closing statement means what you say at the end. Thank you. So if you are saying thank you at the end, you would be saying धन्यवाद. Or if you are saying thank you very much, then you will say बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Now friends, let's revise and recall everything with the help of 2 examples. Let's take the case of Ella. Ella has to introduce herself in Hindi. Let's see what are the 2 ways in which she can express herself. 1. Namaste. मेरा नाम Ella है. धन्यवाद. She could also say Namaskar. मैं Ella हूँ. धन्यवाद. Similarly, let's take the case of Charlie. How would Charlie introduce himself in Hindi? Namaste, मेरा नाम Charlie है. धन्यवाद. He could also say, Namaskar, मैं चार्ली हूँ. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. And now it's your turn. Namaskar or Namaste, whatever you want. मेरा नाम, fill in your name, है. और मैं, fill in your name, हूँ. धन्यवाद. So friends, I hope this video gave you a clear understanding about introductions in Hindi. What is the beginning, the middle, and the end of an introduction in Hindi. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.